In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage relationships in Power BI. By the end, you'll understand how to connect your tables correctly, choose the right relationship settings, and keep your model clean and reliable. Start by opening your Power BI desktop app on your computer, then open one of your reports. We're going to work in Model View, which you can access from the left panel. Model View shows your tables and the fields inside them so you can see how everything ties together. To create a relationship, find the key column in one table. This is often an ID or code that uniquely identifies each row. Click that column and drag it onto the matching column in the other table. Before you drop, double check that both columns represent the same kind of data and share compatible data types, like text to text or number to number. When you release the mouse, Power BI opens a dialog where you can confirm the details. Here, choose the cardinality. One-to-many is the most common when one table has unique IDs and the other table contains repeated values for those IDs. Many-to-one is simply the reverse direction. Many-to-many is available, but use it carefully as it can introduce ambiguity if both sides have duplicates. Next, choose the cross-filter direction. Single direction is usually safest and keeps your model predictable. Both directions can be helpful in specific scenarios, but it can also create circular filtering paths, so use it only when you're confident it's needed. Make sure the relationship is set to active. Only one active path should exist between two tables, and the active option ensures your visuals can filter correctly. When everything looks right, confirm your choices, and then save your report so the relationship is preserved. Now let's look at managing relationships after they're created. On the upper ribbon, click Manage Relationships. You'll see a list of all relationships in the model. Find the one you want to adjust and click the three dots beside it. From here, you can edit it. Click Edit to change the cardinality, switch the cross-filter direction, or point the relationship to different columns if you need to correct a mismatch. If a relationship is no longer necessary, click Delete to remove it. Keep in mind that deleting a relationship can affect visuals, measures, and filters that depended on it, so review your report after making changes. That's it. Create relationships by dragging fields in Model View, set cardinality and filter direction carefully, ensure the relationship is active, save your work, and use Manage Relationships to edit or delete as your model evolves.